Hello guys, this is Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Centre, and today we have a gaming smartphone from ASUS, an ROG Phone 7 with a cracked back cover and a cracked display. Let's go fix it. So the ROG Phone 7 is one of those smartphones that we don't recommend that you DIY whenever you fix it because of the complexity of the internal components. And when you remove the broken display and replace it with a new one, you also have to find the right component to do the repair. So to start off, we are going to remove the back cover, and you will see the complexity that I was talking about. The internal components are quite jumbled. You can see there. I think this has been opened before. The back cover just peels off right away. We're going to remove one connector to that attaches to the back cover. We will reuse that broken back cover later on. So we have here the internal components. You can see the cameras on top, and then a battery, and then the main board in the middle, another battery, and then a daughter board at the bottom. So this is quite tricky if this is the first time you've seen this, and if you don't have any experience fixing smartphones, this is not for beginners. So you can see here we are going to remove the daughter board, remove some connectors between boards, and we are going to peel off the bottom battery. So remember, we have two batteries. They're split in half, and in the middle we have main boards, so they are layered on top of one another. So we have removed the daughter board. You can see there more components are coming out. So as a gaming smartphone, you can see where the components are positioned so it can dissipate heat. The battery is in two parts, so it can divide the heat between two parts evenly. And then we are gonna peel off the battery, just like what I've said. We have removed the flex cables on top of it. So this way we can detach the connector for the display. And look at David holding the battery afloat, so it's not gonna stick back, while prying off the broken display up front. So this is gonna be a coordination between two sides. So you have the front and the back. The display, we're gonna make this quick because it's quite tricky. We're not gonna reuse the display, so it's good to have a very cracked display because it's quite flexible. But you can see the dust has already permeated through the cracks and the gaps on the sides of the display. We're gonna clean this off. There's some remnants of the old display, shards of glass, old adhesive, dust, everything. But David is very meticulous when it comes to cleaning up gunk on the housing. You can see there, it's quite smooth, and we're gonna wipe it off with alcohol so that we can add our own liquid adhesive. We're gonna check for alignment, if it's bent or not. This one is a little bit bent, but nothing to worry about. This is our liquid adhesive. We're gonna apply a sufficient amount so that we can install the display and stick it in there. So a gaming smartphone compared to your regular smartphone, of course, it's got a beefy graphics card and a beefy SoC, and you can see there very big battery capacity to allow for extended gaming sessions. The heat dissipation is also facilitated by the back cover and the layout underneath the back cover. The battery will heat up, but they're in two parts, so it's not going to be concentrated on one part of the back cover. And that way you can hold your smartphone comfortably for extended period. But David has also noticed that the bend on the housing is making the install of the display quite tricky. So it's gonna massage it quite a bit, so it's gonna be straighter. So we have sourced the ROG Phone 7 display, so no need to worry about compatibility. This is replacement. The same quality, the same color, accuracy. It's quite okay for this repair. If you're gonna do this yourself, you're gonna get the proper parts. Yeah, you need to have the patience, the skills to do this repair. As you can see, we have lifted the bottom battery, which is kind of dangerous in its own process. So better go to a local service technician like Sydney CBD Repair Centre. If your area doesn't have any service shop that offers ROG phone repairs, you can just mail in your broken smartphone to us and we'll fix it here in the shop. And this is an actual repair for a client that we have done a few days back. So you can see here, it's just David here. We're in a small shop in Sydney and we offer quality repairs for high-end smartphones and even entry-level smartphones from Samsung, Oppo, Xiaomi, and Apple. So this is it. We're almost done. We'll test it for the first time. We haven't really tested the display, so fingers crossed that it will be okay. There you go. See that? I think it's all good. The housing on the sides is quite beat up. The back cover will be reused, so it's quite beat up as well. But nothing to worry about. You can use a phone case just to cover the back cover. Use it safely that way. We'll attach the final flex cable on the back. Put the rubber grommet on top of it and close up the device. So don't forget to like and subscribe, guys. We do a lot of repairs here in the shop. We record them and show them here so that maybe it will be of help. It will be an inspiration. If your smartphone is broken, you can consider having them fixed rather than buying brand new. It will save you your money, time, and of course your data, because they are in the smartphone that is broken. This screen replacement is very, very inexpensive compared to a brand new ASUS ROG phone. So think about it. Save the environment, save some money, save your data. So free tempered glass and we're done. Thanks for joining, guys. I hope you enjoy this and we'll see you again next time. Take care. Cheers.
If you want your smartphone fixed for a very reasonable price, you may contact Sydney CBD Repair Centre. We also provide mail-in repair services for customers outside of Australia or Sydney. Just message us so we can arrange the shipping of your device.